Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. It's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a fabric haul video wherein I'm going to share with you some of the fabrics that I have recently got and what sort of vague sewing plans I have for them. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who participated in the last sewing plans video that I made, wherein I couldn't choose what to make for this fabric here, the linen viscose fabric, and I had a choice of two patterns. I really appreciate all of your insights, and I ended up choosing the pattern from 6 2023 dress number 103, which would suit in very much with my lifestyle. And I thank you so much, those of you that put in the wonderful recommendation of why not sew both. So I am going to be making the second option in the lovely jacquard fabric, because once that was suggested to me as a plan, I couldn't unsee it, and I could see how beautiful that particular sundress pattern would be in the solid color rather than in this one. So thank you once again. The community has come through for me and given me some really wonderful advice that I wasn't seeing before. So came here for some fabric. Let's get into some fabric. So the first one that I'm going to show you is actually a fabric that is very similar to some fabric that I had, I think, about 7 years ago. I made a shirt dress with this fabric, and I'm going to show it to you over here. And I love that shirt dress. I have worn it to bits, and it's still a favorite. And it was even out last summer. Very rarely comes out of circulation. It is, I think it's called McCall's M6696. It was a very popular shirt dress at the time that I made it. Very intricate to make, and I made several of them. So it's a John Calder cotton sateen fabric, and I really love the bright fuchsias and the greens in it. Now, this one that I now got from Minerva as part of my Minerva brand ambassador project, it's the same print, but only it's been magnified. So it's bigger. It's not quite as small as that other one. And I was a little bit in two minds about this. I felt as if, oh, am I regressing? Am I going backwards? But then you know what? I just thought, I love this print so much, and I love the colors. They are so cool and clear and deep. So I got it. I decided, yep, I'm going to get it. This is going to become a fabulous summery skirt that I will wear with a white top, either a white shirt or a white tank, or a white cami, that sort of thing. So really beautiful drape, cotton sateen, so quite lightweight. I don't think I'll be able to wear this in spring. It will definitely be a summer make. I haven't yet decided on the skirt sewing pattern. I might end up doing a self draft. But yes, we'll see. My daughters saw this fabric and they really liked it as well. So I'll try and do something that allows me to also make a little something for them. I think maybe some cute little sleeveless tops. I don't know. We'll have to see. So this was from Minerva, and I'm very excited about sewing with this one. The next one, this is from Rainbow Fabrics, which has quickly over the last couple of years become one of my favored shopping places as well for fabrics, because they do tend to be consistently good quality fabrics, and I'm trying to get more good quality stuff. And this one, I really liked it because it's got a very retro vibe. It's a green and a slightly off-white. Now, the off-white is not necessarily my colors, because my white should be the optical white, the pure white. However, this green is within my colors. That much I could tell. It's a viscose crepe with the most gorgeous drape. Oh, I just rhymed there. Viscose crepe with a gorgeous drape. Saturday Night Stitch is dropping the... Oh, it's gone. But it's a really beautiful drape. It's very light and it feels so soft. This, I'm not yet sure what it's going to be. I think it would make a really lovely dress. There is a pattern coming up in the Birder for 2024 And it's a very simple pattern that has a halter neck and some gathering on here, and it's just a straight down. I think I might do that with this particular fabric, but we'll see. It's a lovely, lovely weight fabric. I don't know if this is still available. I think one of my little pet peeves with rainbow fabrics is that you can't really marinate on the fabrics that they have, because once they're sold out, because they do a lot of dead stock fabrics. So that's this one. Really nice, very classic pattern. I think I will get a lot of wear out of it. The other one is another viscose crepe that the colors are so gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, the lighting isn't all that good. It's a bit of a rainy day, but it's black and white, and it's a geometric print. Really, really lovely. I see this becoming a dress of some sort, a very, very elegant dress. I love this fabric. Yeah, it's really, really lovely. So probably a dress of some sort, or possibly a top. I mean, to be fair, I'd probably get more wear out of it, particularly in spring, if I made it into a top that could go with skirts and with trousers. I'm converted to separates now. I remember a few years ago, I had some lovely subscribers extolling the virtues of having separates and how separates are actually really fantastic for your wardrobe. And I remember at that time thinking, oh, I'm not too sure about this, but I am so converted to the versatility of separates, and I am working on building up the separates in my wardrobe, because my wardrobe has been dress heavy, because my DIY makes have been dress heavy. So this fabric is black cotton Cupro. So it has this lovely drape. And I want to make this into a skirt. As I said, I need to add a lot of basics to my wardrobe. I do apologize. The lighting is it's raining outside, and yeah, we just have to make do with what we have here in England. So this is a lovely black, although it's not quite a deep black. It's it looks almost ashy. It's like an ashy black, but really, really lovely. As you can see, it would go so well even with the gray and thingy top that I'm wearing. It would work really well with it. So yeah, this is going to be a skirt. There is a Berda skirt that I have traced out, slightly high-waisted with a bit of a tulipy shape, that will become this fabric. And the idea is it should be wearable for spring for me. And then the other one is a gray, charcoal gray cotton tencel. Ever since last summer, when I had a tencel dress, it was a Marks & Spencer that I picked up from a charity shop. It's really gorgeous. I do think that tencel is a lovely fabric. So I got this one in the gray, again, to build up those basics, those good quality basics in my wardrobe. So this, again, is going to be a skirt of some sort for the spring capsule wardrobe. So these are the fabrics that I have got, and I'm quite excited about sewing into them. I've had a very good turnover with fabrics that I've been getting and actually making them into projects. And most of the projects that I've made this year so far, they've been really, really good additions to my wardrobe. I'll be back very soon with another video where I'll show you the things that I have made. So I've got a couple of things to share in those ones, but I'll do a separate video so that I can keep this one nice and short. And also, before I go, another huge favor to ask. I am so close to getting monetized over on my other vlog, Healer at Home, and I'm trying to get monetized over there so that I can use the ad revenue to feed more into the stuff that costs a lot more to create. So the tutorials, the videos that involve technical things, they do require a bit more investment. So I thought if I could set up Hillary at Home to be monetized, wherein I'm just sharing my daily stuff, it doesn't require as much technical stuff, but I could use that to grow this channel in the way that I want to grow it and provide the high quality, useful content that I would love to be able to provide that. And I do need the finances to make that possible in terms of buying services to help with editing, getting the equipment like lighting so that I've got better lighting, and lighting so that I can actually record videos at night and I'm not constrained by having to use natural light. So I really appreciate that because I'm so close to getting monetization. I'll link Hillary at Home in the description box down below, and if you could just go over there and find out what I get up to. I've just done a recent video about wardrobe styling that you might find interesting because I talk a lot about some of the rationales, the things that I've been learning with regards to winter style in particular, because that has been a very weak area of my wardrobe. So it does have some overlay with fashion style and sewing. Thank you so much in advance. And until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.